guys, thanks for tuning in. My friends and I are staying at All Star Music this trip, which is one of Disney's value resorts. It's a perfect 70-degree day, so much better than our freezing cold New England weather. So when you walk in the door, you're greeted by this little table area, which actually folds down. Once the chairs are moved out of the way, you can maybe not slam into the next floor, and you get your second queen bed. And looks like Huey, Dewey, and Louie over here dreaming. We've got our little fridge section. Looks like a brand new fridge. Some drawer space. Got a nice little coffee station with, of course, your amazing Joffrey's. Looks like it's all 50th blend right now. And some tea selection. Your ice bin. And the thermostat. For those of you who are gonna have to change this, we are. Got plenty of drawer space. And your safe. Trash and recycling. And this awesome closet space. Very well utilized space in general. I love all the shelves. It's nice and clean. And then you've got your bathroom in here. And of course, those die-hard Disney fans who love their H2O. And I didn't notice this earlier, but we've got a full ironing board and iron, so that's nice. And hairdryer. So I need to bring that. And I love how the bathroom is separated from a little getting ready space, so you can multitask. Here's the sliding door with a very nifty full length mirror. Love it. Cute little artwork. And there you go. There is your studio at All Star Music.
So we are entering Disney Springs and we managed to grab some last minute reservations at Wolfgang Puck. So that's where we're headed now. These beautiful lighting fixtures are all throughout. They're so pretty. Christine went with the gluten-free version of the prosciutto pizza. I went with the rib appetizer. My sister-in-law actually did the truffle chips. And I also got a side of the crispy cauliflower.
So I just wanted to point out that this is gluten-free crust and you would not know it. It is so good.
See, I want to show the bottom of the crust. Look how flaky it is.
Dinner was amazing. I highly recommend it. Wolfgang Puck was very good. And our waiter was awesome.
Disney Springs is so beautiful lit up. it's a completely different experience versus walking around in the day. I'm gonna regret it, but dessert is a must.
So we're waiting on our sundaes. I went with the Sweetheart. Christine went with the world famous, so gonna enjoy some chocolatey goodness. So look at this beauty. It's got strawberry puree, plus your little chocolate heart, and your whipped cream and amazing chocolate sauce. So it's gonna be fun. The chocolate's already hardening. Ooh, that's really rich. I'm not a huge dark chocolate person, but I think with the strawberry, it works. It's good. We also got the world famous sundae. It's one of my favorites. You can't go wrong with it. So I think that's gonna do it for us tonight. We are headed back to the resort to go crash. It's been a long travel day. Tomorrow we are headed to Magic Kingdom, so stay tuned and see you next time on Travel Pixie Style.